The Adventures of Carter, the Choo-Choo Express Train. Hi, my name is Lori, and I want to tell you a story. Are you ready? All right, let's start. Carter was a powerful steam engine. He was called the Choo-Choo Express. Carter was a very hard-working engine, and he liked moving people from one place to another. One day, Carter was asked to carry the passengers to the city of New York. "This will be a very long journey and will be a great adventure for you, Carter. Would you be interested?" asked Mr. Thompson, the station master. "Oh, thank you, Mr. Thompson. I would be very interested," said Carter. Carter was very excited about the journey. He never saw New York in his life. Carter started his journey happily, with all the passengers on board, as he huffed and puffed. Choo-choo! Carter traveled through many cities and towns before he passed the great canyons, and he was very amazed to see the tall mountains and the rocks. Carter then passed by the forest, where he saw huge and wild animals. Oh, Carter was very thrilled.